Hey, have you seen that Crossley Cambridge kitchen island cart with the granite top? It's, really something.
Actually, I haven't. What's got you so excited about it?
Well, it's like this perfect blend of style and functionality.
Right.
You get a solid black granite countertop that's just gorgeous.
Granite, huh? That does sound fancy.
Yeah, and it's not just for show. It's got 3 cabinets with adjustable shelves, so you can store pots,
Wow.
pans, even small appliances.
That's a lot of storage.
Exactly. Plus 2 spacious drawers for utensils and dish towels.
Nice.
It's really thoughtfully designed.
You know, I always struggle with countertop clutter.
Well, they thought of that too. There's a built-in spice rack, towel bar, and paper towel holder.
Oh, that's
Keeps everything
clever.
organized and accessible.
That's exactly what I need. Does it move around easily?
Yes, it has heavy-duty casters for mobility.
Okay.
So you can roll it where you need it, and 2 of them lock to keep it steady.
Mobility is a big plus in the kitchen.
Absolutely. And the granite top can support up to 100 pounds.
Impressive.
So it's sturdy enough for all your prep work.
But is the assembly a nightmare? I'm not exactly a handyman.
Well, it does require assembly, but
Right.
customers say it's manageable. Some did it solo in about 3 hours.
3 hours? That's a commitment.
True, but the end result seems worth it.
Yeah.
And if you have someone to help, it might go faster.
Fair enough. Any concerns I should know about?
A few people mentioned an initial odor from the finish, but it
Really?
fades after airing out.
That's good to know.
Oh, and some noted the back isn't solid wood, so if it's not against a wall, it might look less polished.
Got it. That could be an issue for me. I was planning to have it central in the kitchen.
Well, perhaps you could add a backing or position it strategically.
Maybe. You know, I'm just wondering, is it really solid wood everywhere else?
Mostly yes, though some pieces may not be solid wood. But overall, people praise the build quality.
Okay. I guess for the price, you can't expect it to be all hardwood.
Exactly. And the granite top is a real highlight. Adds
Yeah.
a premium feel.
You mentioned small appliances. Would it hold a microwave?
Definitely. Some folks use it as a microwave stand or even a coffee cart.
That's versatile. But wait, if I have a robot vacuum, will that be a problem with this cart?
Funny you ask. Someone did mention their Roomba gets stuck under it, so
Oh,
you might
no.
need to watch out for that.
That's a bit of a concern.
But overall, the feedback is very positive. One person said, "Love, love, love this item. Very spacious, made from good quality wood."
That's reassuring. That is good to hear.
And if you're worried about protection, they offer plans. Covers
Oh?
against stains, defects, even accidental damage.
That's a nice safety net. But I have to ask, is it really worth it?
Well, considering the storage, aesthetic appeal, and functionality, I'd say it's a solid investment,
Right.
especially if you need more kitchen space.
You've almost convinced me, but the assembly still worries me.
Hey, if I can put together flat pack furniture, I'm sure you can handle this.
Ha! All right, maybe I'll give it a shot.
Great. Can't wait to hear how it transforms your kitchen.
Thanks for all the info.
Anytime, it's fun sharing these finds.